Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and I have a glass here. This is an old Bath and Body Works candle, so I've just cleaned it out, but you can pick up one of these, something very similar to Dollar Tree, or use anything that's kind of glass recycled. But we're going to make a little candle holder. It's going to be blinged out, and it would be a great way, like if you're going to have a wedding or a shower that's inexpensive, to use some jars, or even cups would work. So let me go ahead and show you. I'm going to use the pearls here from the Dollar Tree, the gemstone stickers from the Dollar Tree as well, and then the adhesive diamond wrap. And then I also have some of that turquoise diamond wrap as well that we're just going to cut as needed. And I know that I want just a little bit of that blue bling shining through. I don't want it to overpower anything, but we're going to go ahead and do this. And then we've got our diamond wrap here. So we're going to just open that guy up and take that out. And then here is where you're going to decide how big. So depending on how much you need, and I don't think we're going to need a lot this time. Maybe we'll do, let's do 4. So we're going to cut these into 4. And I probably should have had it done before, but I wanted to show you the package. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I wanted to make sure that you guys saw how easy this is to do. And then I'm going to cut one more thing of 4, because this, I don't believe, goes all the way around. No, definitely does not. So I think I'm going to cut one more of 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to be ready to go. It's going to be super quick and easy. And let's go ahead and get started. So I do have a little bit of fringe going on here, and I don't want it on there. So I'm just going to cut that off if you have any little bit of fringe. See all that? Alright, and then I'm going to open these guys up just to have it all done. I also have my glue gun. If you don't want to work with the glue gun, you can work with the tacky glue. This one is the Aleene's, and this little one costs $1 at the Dollar Tree as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put something there to stop this from, oh, there we go. We are just going to pick this off here. And you guys, in some of my other videos, you ask what this is. This is called the Take Your Pick tool from Stampin' Up. It's pretty cool. It's got putty, and I'll be using that. It's got different sides, which we can use as well. So I use this side to pick off the sticker part. Like that, because my nails cannot get in there. Okay. So it is sticky. This stuff is very sticky. And I'm going to put it right on the bottom there. And if you keep that straight, it should go perfectly around. And then, let me see here. I'm going to put this glue to hold it from moving. And then we're going to do the same thing here. I'm just getting that glue undone. And we're going to line this up. Just in the same exact spot. It lines up rather nicely. And then this is the part where you have to make sure it lines up. And once you find out where that's going to line up, just cut. And look at that. You can't even tell where it stops and starts. So we're going to do that again. And I'm going to, since I have this already done, I'm going to do this up at the top, right at the tip top. All the way around. Well, as far as it'll go. And then I dropped one, so I'm picking that up. Okay, I'm going to cut off those little bits here again. And this time I'll do it over a trash can. How about that? So, sorry about all the background noise if you can hear that. Again, still got a house full. But I'm getting to do some crafts that I haven't been able to do in a long time. And I'm just loving it. And I'm getting able to use some of my stash from the Dollar Tree. How many of you guys are able to use your stash? So I'm going to line that one up, and again, go right around the outside, right at the top of the rim. And we're going to line that up. And I'm going to push that in here because it's just a little bit longer. But as long as those line up, then I can push these because it's got some give. And again, you cannot tell where it starts and stops. So very nice. We're going to move on to the next part. Okay, we're going to now do this with the blue. And I am loving this bling, you guys. It's just, I love it. Every time I see it in my Dollar Tree, I pick some up in the different colors. And so anytime you see any, grab some because it's just so cool to work with. All right. So this one I'm also going to line up right along there. And I love this because if you remember, I did one with some butterflies using this same stuff. So this is going to match up really well if you guys happen to do that one. It would be really great to have, like, that one was a candle holder, but if you did, like I said, a baby shower or something similar. So we're going to go ahead and grab another one of these. Super excited for this. I love it. So who does not love bling? Oh my goodness, I do. All right, we're going to do this again. Lining it all right up there. Again, everything's matching up beautifully. And this isn't costing me anything because this was all left over, other than the bling I just opened, that white pack, which is only $1. So this is a lot of scraps that I'm using. So I guess if you had to buy it, it would be maybe $5, but it's going to go a long way. So that's cool. I'm going to flip that over. And if you wanted to do like full blinged out, you could do that as well. But I wanted to use those pearls. Okay. Just finding a random spot because I know it's going to match up perfectly. And just go all the way around this way. This one, there we go. And then around this way. Loving this. So how are you guys holding up? Let me know. I always want to hear how you're doing, but especially right now. Are you guys all staying well, staying sane? I'll tell you, I had a hard time yesterday. You didn't see anything from me except for one video, and it didn't come out correctly. I was so bummed. But I enjoyed making that card. Okay. So there's that one. That one you can kind of see a little bit, and I think if I pulled it, I could probably get it to where you really cannot. But you can see just a teeny tiny bit if you look for it. So there we go. Now I want to add some of these little pearls. Okay. This is going to take a little bit of time, and I could still add another line of bling if I wanted to make it match up perfectly, but I think the glass is okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take, you see that hole there? I'm okay with that hole being there. So I'm going to stick this just like that. I'm going to show you. And I'm not worried about how much glue there is either, because that's going to go up that hole too and hold it in place. And I'm going to do that all the way around. So you can put it on the glass itself, or you can put it on this piece itself, whatever you'd like, whatever works with you. Just be very careful. And I'm going to line it right up. So I'm going to do that all the way around, and we'll see you in just a bit. Great. We're going to put that last one right in here. And that's going to be your hardest one, is making sure that it fits in there without it getting too crooked or cockeyed. So now we've got them all around, and you can see those little holes that are in there. And what we're going to do is now we're going to take the gemstone stickers here, and we're going to cut up because they are in a line like this. So we're going to cut that line, and then that way the glue is right on there and it's all cut up, and now you have each individual rather than being one straight line. Okay. And we're going to take your pick tool, cover it up so you don't poke yourself, and then this little guy, he's going to pick it up for us just like that, and it's already got glue on there. So look at that. Is that so cool? I love it. I love, love, love this take your pick tool. And I know a lot of you had asked about it, and you can get that on my online shop. It's only $10, and it just saves so much time. So I'm going to put these on all the way around, and then I will come right back and show you the finished product. And we're on our last one here. And there we go. How cute is that? Is that all blinged out? And then if you see any little spider webs, just go through and get them. And if you don't like having that extra glass space, which I do not mind at all, then go ahead and cover it up with some more gems. That would look really pretty with some of the clear gems again in here. So whatever you choose, I love this. I think it's so pretty. So I'll take a picture of it. I'm going to put a little light in there for you so you could see what it looks like. All right, beauties. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, And I will talk to you later. Make sure you give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more Dollar Tree DIYs and more ways that I use this lovely little tool. All right. Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.